Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to turn off VoiceOver or TalkBack on iPhone and how we can do this. So let's get started. If VoiceOver is turned on on your iPhone, this is what we have to do. The first thing, you need to navigate to the settings here and make sure that you have to tap twice in order to open any kind of thing. So if you wanted to turn on the settings or proceed further, I need to go over here. I just need to tap over here twice, so it will be taking you to this. Now from here, what you need to do is we have to scroll it to the up as well as to the bottom. So to go up, you have to use your 3 fingers and you have to do like this. Now that will take you to this. Now from here you have to navigate to the accessibility. Now I selected it. Now I need to double tap it. Once you select it, you have to double tap on this. That is taking you to this. Now from here you have to tap on or select the VoiceOver. Now you need to tap on it twice, so that is taking you to this. Now in order to turn it off, the VoiceOver, you have to toggle it off. So you just need to go over here, tap on twice, so it is turned off. This is what we have to do. And this is one way where how we can turn off the VoiceOver. There is one more method apart from this. That is all about if I accidentally turn it on this. Now if I wanted to turn it off, even I'm not able to do like this, I don't know how to move this or how to select it, I'm not aware of this, or one day suddenly it starts behaving like the VoiceOver is being turned on, then I need to ask to the Siri. I can ask the help from the Siri to turn it off. So I'm just going to give the command. You have to do the same. I'm just going to call the Siri first, then I'm just going to give the command, so Siri will be wake up and do the necessary. So I'm just going to do the same. You have to do the same as well. So the first thing, hey Siri, please turn off VoiceOver.
Okay, VoiceOver is now off.
Now as you can see, the VoiceOver is being turned off. So this is how we can do this. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.